Hello everyone, this is me, Perez, and I'm super excited to be back here with another video tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be working with the Floral Flurries Washi tape and the dot art stamp set, as well as some other things that you'll be seeing throughout this video. Okay, so let's get into the process. I started by positioning the stencil onto an 8.5 by 11 inches white cardstock and applied some of the Altenew embossing paste with the help of my palette knife. I just love the texture that this paint adds to my projects, and that's why I'm using it today. Oh, and by the way, if you were wondering what stencil I'm using, it is called on the plus side. Okay, so once I finished that part, I cleaned my stencil on my palette knife, of course, and I let the page dry for a couple of hours. And while I was waiting for it to dry, I continued to work on the rest of my layout. One of my favorite techniques when it comes to scrapbooking is fussy cutting, and the Floral Flurries Washi tape is perfect for this. In order to do this technique, I adhered some of the washi tape onto white cardstock and then fussy cut the flowers, leaving a white border all the way around. I have to say that this took me a couple of hours and I ended up with more flowers than I actually needed, but I guess I'm just going to save them for another project. Following this, I pulled out the dot art 6x8 stamp set and stamped one of the leaves onto vellum paper with the Altenew Embossing Ink. Next, I took the antique gold crisp embossing powder, sprinkled it on the previously stamped image, tapped off the excess, and then I added heat to melt that powder. I needed 5 of these leaves to my layout, so I repeated this process 5 times and then fussy cut around each of them. Once I had all of the elements that I wanted to add to my page, I played with them and put them in different parts of the page until I decided the final placement. And as you are seeing on the screen right now, I created a floral wreath. To adhere the gold embossed leaves, I used little squares of double-sided tape, and for the fussy cut flowers, I used foam squares to give them a little bit more dimension. The photo and the journaling were also adhered with foam adhesive. For the title of my page, I used the alphabet stickers from the Live Your Dream collection to spell happy face. To finish my page, I added some wood veneer hearts and some enamel dots around the wreath. Okay, so that is it for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you. Don't forget to visit my post on the Altenew Scrapbook blog to learn more about this project. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring that little bell so you don't miss any new videos from the super talented Altenew team. Thank you so much for watching this video and hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!